Guess what we get to do today, or less a couple days. Taking out a garden tub and putting in a really nice glass shower. Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. So if you want to take out a garden tub, we'll show you how we do that. And these ladies have fantastic taste. Pick up what you want. They're fantastic as far as good taste. So here we go. We're going to take it apart and we'll take you along. Alright, so we took off the trim and the wallpaper that was not loosely put on. And now I'm pulling off this panel so I can get to you. Usually not going to be very much as far as, sometimes it's drywall, but that will never last. Saw so you can cut this off.
It is recording you a sawzall, you said?
Yeah. Okay, so let's cut this right here so we can reuse it in the wall. This is a mechanical vent. So that means they don't have a vent going through the roof. So let's cut there and then right there. Right here first.
Right, keep it.
No. The mechanical vent will, but this part down here will not. Oh, just in case you didn't know, we use a metal cutting blade, a long one, to cut the pipe. If you try to use a wood cutting blade, it will jerk that pipe and tear it up. So we use a lot of metal cutting blades, and usually long so we can flexible cut things. So I just wanted you to know, don't cut this water line.
Not the best for cutting wood, but it can still cut wood.
It does cut wood.
So you want me to cut it at the joint where it comes up?
Yeah.
You might have to hold this one to do it.
We're going to need 2 1/2-inch PEX plugs and crimp rings so we can shut the water off.
You need me to check with plugs?
Huh?
So you need me to check with plugs? Or you should ask me to make a list?
No, I think we should have that in the box.
Alright.
You can bring the box in here if you want, but it's just the only place we need it for right now is those water lines.
So 2?
Yeah, 2. Hot and cold. I've got a piece of wood or something right there. I probably have to. Yeah, it's good. We're going to put caps on those that plumbing,
Okay.
and we'll tuck it underneath, and we'll come up where we need to. We'll put shutoffs on it. Right now, we're getting ready to take the screws that hold it to the wall, climb underneath, disconnect the drain, and we'll have to reposition the drain, but that's all.
Okay.
This has a mechanical vent. It was on this, and I'm going to reuse it.
Okay.
It'll probably be in the wall,
Okay.
but that's to replace having to take a vent through the roof. And you can do it in the wall, as long as you're above your drain,
Okay.
just for your information. But we're making progress. I think this will be out in about 15 minutes.
Okay.
20. There'll be a nut underneath here, and he'll have to spin it off. And then allergic to this stuff. Alright, so we don't have a way to shut the water off until after lunch or something. So, take the saws off
And cut around that.
and cut around that without cutting the water lines.
You see you don't want to salvage the tub?
Right?
You see you don't want to salvage the tub?
No, the tub's not going to be salvaged. Nobody wants these tubs.
I thought you did.
No. Whirlpool, yeah. If it's a whirlpool, yeah, I do.
Have you
record what you're doing?
Have you been moving this?
Yeah,
Quit moving it. It sees the whole frame.
I'm just saying.
Stop moving
You're
it.
not around here.
It can see the whole frame. Stop moving it.
Yes, sir. Straight right there.
Moving it again.
I like to move it. I like to move it. Move it. Can you cut over the top? Oh, sorry. You're not knocked out. You should have been. They were sitting on that. Let me see if I can break it out from there. Bleed? I don't know. Can't see any blood yet. Oh, that's hard.
I know. If it was over there, you put it there.
I didn't put it there.
It was over there.
I didn't put it anywhere. But hey, I've been married. It's my fault. Okay, see if you can lift up on that. Let's see if I can hammer it. Now, we need the dumbbell. I can probably hammer out around, but I need to just go
Do it correctly.
in here, and then you need to go underneath. Let me see if I can hammer around it, break it out.
Or we just do it correctly. Oh, that doesn't matter.
No, you can take it underneath and show them how you take the nut loose from the, but the dumbbells to keep it from spinning. And I'll have to do that anyway after the tub is gone
Yeah,
out.
we need 2 balls.
Huh? Break all this out if I can. There's foam under it. Probably won't.
Well, I mean, it won't come up, but the tub will come up.
Yeah, but I don't know if I can break through it. It's got foam that will absorb the shock like rubber. We're saying.
Well, they can see.
hold the screws that hold it from the outside. So we should be able to lift this up, stand on the edge, and walk it out. Then we'll take it out to the garage.
Connection. You gotta make sure your connections are tight.
Yeah, there's a plastic gray connection.
Also, make sure that your surroundings are secured. You know, so you don't have pictures falling on your head.
Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.